What's up, Tyrone?
Whoa. Don't call me that shit, John.
All right, what's your name? Jamal?
Bro, no, bro. That's not my
Tyreek?
name. Huh?
Tyreek?
Bro, no, my name is EJ, bro.
EJ.
EJ, yes.
That's your real name.
No.
So, do you not hear that?
No, I don't.
You didn't hear the smoke alarm chirp?
Nah. You
Are you
gotta be
serious?
tripping, yo.
Okay,
Yes.
wait. I'll mention it again once it chirps. I know it chirps every few minutes. How do you guys not hear that?
I don't know, bro.
Like, no, it's honestly amazes me. Like every time, do you not hear that?
No, I don't.
Oh, did you hear it,
I didn't hear a goddamn thing.
dude? I mean,